Alright, tranny's out, motor's out, lowered bus. I wish it was that easy. So there's the bus with no axles. Just threw some tires up under there to see what it would look like. Look at that rat's nest. All right, day 2 of deconstruction time here. We got all the suspension is out, beams over there, motors over there on the lift table, and we're going to start cutting this out, and we're basically kind of moving toward the idea of a body drop. So we're going to cut all this out, cut this seat area out, and start figuring out what we got to do. So let's do it. Alright, first floor section is out, and I'm telling you what, the frame is looking great. So, real happy with that. Even the front inner nose panels, mint, and looking good. So we're going to keep cutting. Eric's over here taking the dash out. Alright, Eric's pulling out the windshield, using a fancy little windshield cutter tool. It's all cracked down the middle, so it needs to be replaced anyways. And I got a trim piece coming to replace this nose part. And right now I'm going to cut this wheel well seat area out, because that's going to get raised up 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 inches. I don't know yet. Man, we are just knocking it out. Eric just got the windshield out. Got your really typical crusty front edge here. really bad over here, so that'll all gonna get cut out. He's gonna work on taking the dash out. I just got the seat area out. But bam! You ever wondered what this looked like? There it is. Looks really good, like no other than right there, your common rust spot. Looks good. So I did notice this was kind of interesting. Both the front and the back both had a little shim right there on the beam. All right, we'll keep moving forward. All right, we got the port of power out. And so we noticed that, let me move this in, I guess. We noticed that when we shut the door, we're like super tight on the gap and super tight up here, whereas the other door has like a nice 1/4 inch gap. And down here, we're sticking out almost, you know, 1/2 of a finger here. It's a good 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch. So we feel like all of this got bashed in here, down here, and then this whole corner here obviously got mushed in. So we're gonna try to push it out. See what happens. All right, hopefully we captured that a little bit with the hyperlapse, but push on that door a little bit there. The door needs to be adjusted, but we got that looking really good in here. We just jacked up here. We went up this way, we went out, and we went forward. And it's looking pretty good. I think the door is still a little bowed right in here, but I was giving it the old kickaroo. We learned that from Chip Foose. And we're doing Foose work here. And we'll do a quick video here, and then I'll take some pictures. Not that we're going to be able to decipher it. All right, dash is out. Not looking too bad, other than this rust here where these mice had their little house. I got a neighbor that has a bus that's pretty much taken apart. The whole bus is gone, but the nose is still there. The front nose is all crusty, but this stuff's really nice, so I'm going to go over there and cut some of that out, I guess, out of that one. And we're sitting here trying to contemplate this whole body drop idea. But using the hydraulics really worked good to press all this stuff out. Got it all nice. Yeah.
Take it and go from your side.
Oh yeah. Nothing that a 4.5 inch angle grinder can't do in a few seconds to really fuck shit up. Alright, she's looking a little holy. She's looking like she's going to church. Yikes. Look at that rat's nest. There she is, Miss America. So beautiful. Got some more pineapples going here. These are actually pineapples I grew and we ate. And then we cut the tops off and they're rooting again. So we can have more pineapples. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you know the drill. And if you have any questions or comments or any insights on some of the stuff I'm doing, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And I really appreciate it. I read every one. So see you at the next one. Peace.